First off, we've got a behemoth in action. This isn't your backyard digger, folks. We're talking about a Hitachi EX 8000, which basically makes regular excavators look like toys. I mean, just look at the size of that thing. It's like a transformer decided to chill in a quarry. It's in its natural habitat, a mine, doing what it does best, eating rocks. And I mean eating. That bucket is huge. It could probably swallow a small car whole and ask for seconds. The way it scoops up that earth is smoother than my morning coffee going down. And look at those Caterpillar dump trucks lining up like hungry puppies at dinner time. One scoop from this beast, and they're practically full. You could fit a decent-sized house in the back of those trucks. No problem. It's like watching giants playing with Tonka trucks, only these Tonka trucks cost more than your actual house. The operator in that cab, he's probably feeling like a king on his throne, surveying his rocky kingdom. I bet he's got a coffee machine and maybe even a mini fridge up there, living the high life, excavator style. And the sound, listen to that rumble. It's like a giant metallic dinosaur having a really good meal. Vroom, clang, bang. Music to a machinery enthusiast's ears, I tell ya. Seriously though, it's a marvel of engineering. Makes you appreciate the sheer power of these machines that move mountains literally. Mind-blowing stuff. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to go hug my considerably smaller, but still lovable lawnmower. It just doesn't quite compare, does it? Imagine you're expecting a package instead of a delivery van. A yellow parade of monster trucks shows up, each groaning under the weight of what looks like a giant's discarded Lego collection. These aren't your average trucks, they're practically mobile zip codes, needing GPS to navigate a parking lot, let alone a gas station. And the banners? Behold, the 395-ton beast is coming. Subtlety, honey. We're throwing subtlety out the window and replacing it with pure, unadulterated yellow. Spectacle. The assembly site is like a scene from a Transformers movie, except everyone's wearing hard hats instead of transforming into robots, sadly. Tyrannosaurus Rexes, majestic and enormous, stand ready to play operation, but with pieces that weigh more than your house. These cranes are so tall, they probably need oxygen masks at the top. The workers, bless their brave souls, they're like ants trying to move a mountain, a very yellow, very greasy mountain. They're wrestling with tracks that could double as train lines, and engines that hum with the power of 1,000 angry hornets. You can almost hear them muttering, just one more bolt, and maybe I can retire to a tropical island. Grease is the lifeblood of this operation. It's everywhere. It's shimmering in the sun. It's probably being sold in bulk at Costco for this project alone. They're slathering it on like it's the secret sauce to awaken this yellow titan. Think of it as the Excavator's morning moisturizer, SPF 5000, and rust repellent all in one. Then comes the moment we've all been waiting for, the bucket drop. It's not just a bucket, it's a scoop the size of a small swimming pool, lowered with the grace of a ballet dancer, a very strong robot ballet dancer. It clicks into place, and suddenly you understand the scale of this beast. This isn't just digging holes, it's excavating geological epochs. And bam! From a chaotic pile of yellow metal mayhem rises the Cat 6040, magnificent and ready to devour the earth. It's a testament to human ingenuity, engineering prowess, and the sheer audacity to build something so ridiculously, wonderfully yellow. So next time life feels overwhelming, just remember this video. If they can assemble that, you can definitely handle your overflowing inbox. Now go forth and conquer your laundry pile. Behold the majestic mining dump truck in its natural habitat, a dusty, rocky wasteland that looks like the set of a Mad Max movie. This behemoth of metal, looking like it swallowed a monster truck and then had a baby with a bulldozer, is loaded to the brim with rocks. Seriously, that pile of rocks is bigger than my apartment. You can hear the truck groaning a bit as it comes to a stop, probably thinking, ooh, not another load of these pebbles. Then, in a dramatic slow-motion reveal, because everything looks cooler in slow-mo, even rocks being dumped, the truck bed rises like a metallic wave, and bam! Rocks avalanche out in a dusty, noisy cascade. It's like watching a mountain range have a very messy sneeze. And just when you think it's all over, and the truck is basking in its emptied glory, another one of these rock-hauling titans trundles into view in the distance. The circle of mining life continues. Someone get these trucks a spa day. They deserve it. Witness the raw power show, a monster yellow loader. Think Transformer on steroids. Battles a mountain of dark or coal, mystery rock. Who cares? Engine roars. Hydraulics hum as it scoop stuns. In one bite, then the behemoth dump truck, tires bigger than cars, enters the stage. The loader, like a powerful dancer, swings its loaded bucket high. Bam! Volcanic eruption of material fills the truck with a satisfying thud. Operator equals material moving maestro. Laser precise dumping. Relentless cycle, scoop, lift, swing, dump, repeat. Mesmerizing industrial rhythm. It's the heartbeat of mining, performed by machines that are beautiful and brutal. Not just dirt moving, it's art on an epic scale. Loader equals textbook technique. Truck equals handles mountains like feathers. Perfect heavy equipment ballet. Engineering might meets operator skill. If this doesn't make you want to drive a loader, check. Your pulse, heavy machinery gold. Folks, enjoy the condensed show. Alright, buckle up for some high-octane drama at a construction site. We've got a starring role from a bright yellow dump truck who clearly mistook a mud pit for a parking space. Talk about a parking fail. Enter our hero, the red excavator, in a slow-motion rescue mission. It's like watching paint dry, but with more mud and the thrill of potential tipping. The crowd is going wild, shouting instructions in Spanish like they're directing a blockbuster movie. A little more, a little less. Is it a GPS issue? Who knows? The paparazzi, aka construction workers, are out in force, screaming for photos like they're at a Hollywood premiere. Take pictures. This is going on TV. Finally, after what feels like an eternity and a whole lot of dirt rearranging, the truck is miraculously freed. Cue the confetti and cheers. Seriously though, someone get that truck a map and maybe a mud wrestling coach. Alright, machinery enthusiasts, lend an ear and maybe some earplugs. Feast your eyes on the Komatsu D575A2, a true heavyweight champion of the earth-moving arena. Forget polite purrs. This machine speaks in a deep, guttural diesel growl. That's less engine and more mechanical beast awakening. That exhaust, it's not just smoke. It's a bold, black banner of horsepower, announcing to the world, serious dirt is about to be moved. We're talking vintage vapor trail levels of awesome emissions here. Now, those tracks, don't call them treads. These are monstrous, ground-gobbling steel caterpillars. Each link is like a reinforced brick, forged to conquer continents, not just gravel driveways. They don't just grip, they command the terrain, leaving lesser machines quaking in there. Well, probably also tracks. Imagine the ground pressure. It's probably enough to politely ask tectonic plates to shift over a bit. And that blade, it's not just a piece of metal, it's a yellow, earth-shoving Everest. Watch it bite into the soil, effortlessly scooping up cubic yards like it's hungry for dirt. This isn't about landscaping your flower beds. This is about re-engineering entire zip codes. Forget laser-guided precision. This is muscle-powered mastery, where the operator and machine become one earth-moving force of nature. In short, the D575A2 isn't just a bulldozer, it's a legend on tracks. It's a reminder that sometimes you just need raw, unadulterated power, a rumbling engine that makes your chest vibrate, and a cloud of smoke that could signal passing ships. It's iconic, it's powerful, it's unapologetically old school, and it's still getting the job done with a growl and a cloud of glory. Prepare to have your jaw drop. You think you've seen excavators? Think again. This isn't your grandpa's backhoe. This is aquatic, assault, digger. Witness the impossible as this orange titan defies gravity and logic. It's not just near the water, it's an IT. Floating like a mechanical leviathan, this beast plunges into the murky depths, ready to conquer the riverbed. Forget sandcastles, forget swimming lessons. This excavator is on a mission of mudslinging mayhem. Watch as it churns the water into a chocolatey vortex, scooping up river bottom like it's the lost treasure of Atlantis. Is it necessary? Probably not. Is it epically awesome? Hell yes. This isn't just construction. It's extreme construction. Get ready to witness the most unlikely, most entertaining, most ridiculously cool excavator action you've ever seen. Amphibious excavator. Prepare to be amazed. How's that for more exciting? Let me know if you want to push the over-the-top dial even higher.